up? We're at Blue Jay Self Storage. We paid $1,050 for this unit. The owner said that we got a good buy, so hopefully it's not too bad. It's a 10 by 15. Looks like some good stuff in here. It's hot. It's like
hot.
It's like 100 degrees. It's maybe hotter than that. But here it is. I'm gonna give you the pan around and then we'll come off the selfie stick. Alright, so first thing is the kayaks. Well, you wanna, and then we got some motorcycle parts, a fan, some building supplies, more motorcycle parts, a ladder, coolers, all kinds of stuff. There's some camping, all kinds of camping stuff, fishing stuff in the corner, a chainsaw and a stick, a welding helmet, just totes, camping stuff, more camping stuff.
This is also the pots and pans for camping, I think.
This is like some kind of big, hopefully it's a jacuzzi. I don't know exactly, but we'll have to see. More camping stuff.
A dolly.
A dolly, which we've been needing. So we paid $10.50 for this unit. It was at plus a fee. So with the auction fee, I think it was like $11.55. We've sold like 2 little things out of this unit. An outlet,
Waterproof something.
receptacle like you would put on the outside of the building. I think it was like $30, and we sold like some deck screws or something. So I don't know, probably like after fees and shipping, probably like $40. She listed all of the motorcycle parts and a few other little knick-knack things. There was some VHS tapes and
some drawer pulls that are like cow, steers,
Oh yeah, the
something.
cow head or cow
Yeah.
skulls or something.
Those are pretty cool.
So we got about $2,000 worth of stuff. Probably more than that, but I think it was like $2,700 when I looked just now. But we got a lot of the motorcycle parts priced high. The gas tank I want to say was like $450, and then that whole headlight, windshield, mirrors. You listed for what, $1,000?
$1,000.
That'll be a fair to ship. It'll probably be a couple $100 to ship that. So I don't know. Probably after fees and shipping and everything, we'll probably make around $1,500, $1,000. Plus we're gonna keep all the kayak stuff and all the camping stuff for use on another thing. We got some ideas to make some money with those items. The jacuzzi tub was trash. It was kind of cool, but like it wasn't big enough for you to like stretch your feet out in.
No.
You could sit in there
You'd
with
have to
your
have your
knees
legs,
bent,
yeah.
but like I don't
Yeah.
know what else you would need it for. And I think it was an inside tub, but the way it was shaped, if you remember, like all of the walls on the sides of it were like diagonally in, so
Yeah,
there wasn't like a flush side where you could like
Yeah.
put it up against the wall. So like I guess it would just sit out. Maybe you would put it on the deck.
I don't know. It was
Maybe,
indoor though.
maybe it was a hot tub. Maybe it was just like an older hot tub. I don't know. But we ended up throwing it away.
Yeah, just
And then
trash
the
it.
toilet we threw away. A few other things we threw away, but
We didn't get. I mean, there wasn't that much trash in the unit.
no, it wasn't that much trash.
Yeah.
We came back and sorted all the camping stuff out, so we have it all set aside. And like I said, once we sell our eBay stuff, we'll probably do pretty good on it. Not a home run. We'll probably make, after paying for the unit, probably a couple $100. But we get to keep the kayaks and the canvas stuff, which is what the main reason we bought
And we
that
got
unit.
a grill, but it's a flat top. What do you call that?
The
That is
Blackstone
Yes.
grill. It's a flat top, but then it's also got a side burner, and it's propane. That thing's pretty cool too. So that's gonna be it for today's video. We didn't really give you like the full rundown like we normally do. This was actually Nicole's first unit on the channel, I think.
Yeah.
She's bought a couple more since then. So we'll have to get those uploaded for you guys to see. But if you like the content, give us a thumbs up or 2 thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. We got quite a bit of views, and there's more views than there are subscribers. So there's some of you out there that aren't subscribing. So make sure you click subscribe. It'll really help us out. I appreciate it.
Thanks.
We'll see you guys on the next video.
Was it?